We are going to look at some addition problems with integers and quickly tell if the answer will be positive or negative. If we have a -5 and we add 4, let's use chips first and model the first integer, which is a -5. Then right underneath, we will stack a +4. We can quickly look at this and tell that our answer will be negative because we have more negatives. We have 5 negatives and we only have 4 positives, so our answer will definitely be a negative. And if we slash out 0 pairs, we are left with a -1. Let's look at the numbers only. Here we have a -5 and we have a +4. Here we have 5 negatives and here we have 4 positives. There are more negatives here, so that's why our answer is a negative. This is why the algorithm for adding two integers where one is positive and one is negative is to take the difference of the two numbers. So if you have 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom, the difference would be 1. The sign of your answer will be whatever you have more of. The difference between 5 and 4 is 1, and then we have more negatives. So our answer is -1. Let's complete one more problem. If we have 6 plus a -8, we have 6 positives and we have 8 negatives. We have more negatives. So the difference between 6 and 8, that would be 2. And then what do you have more of? We have more negatives. So our answer is a -2. And we can double check this with chips. We have 6 positives. And then we have 8 negatives. If we eliminate 0 pairs, we are left with a -2. When adding one positive and one negative, look at what you have more of. If you have more positives, your answer will be positive, or if you have more negatives, your answer will be negative.